Good morning. Well,
Good.
today we have with us Dr. Suleiman Otto, whom I remember from college as Mr. Wolverine. इनके बाल यहाँ पे दाढ़ी के थोड़े बड़े हुए होते थे और बहुत ही यूनिक किस्म की दाढ़ी होती थी सुलेमान की ना. So I'm seeing him after actually 30 years. And सालिक जानिए तो आप हम पहले भी इंट्रोडक्शन दे चुके हैं मेरा और सालिक का जो है. So actually, Suleiman is in Pakistan. He is a pulmonologist, and he also is involved in educating our youth, and he's affiliated with the university. And from my understanding to interaction on Facebook, he also is one of those people who actually thinks. So most of his questions do make me feel like he is intrigued by new ideas, new things, and he has opinions these days in the times when everybody's just running after money and show off and this and that. It's rare to find people who think. So let's begin. And Suleiman, with Saleh, your permission, I would ask Suleiman
Please.
to tell his early part of the life, which before you came to college. I've seen your videos in Sindhi. I presume you came from interior Sindh. So tell us the
Yes.
story of how you ended up in Sindh Medical College.
Thank you very much for inviting me for this. Uh, it's very interesting. Actually, I started from a small town. It's nearby Hyderabad with the name of Tandolaya. So I was
Tandolaya,
there
yeah.
in my school days. I finished my eighth class down there, and one of my father's friend was in actually Karachi, and at that time I wanted to get admission in Hyderabad for ninth and 10th. So he suggested that I should take admission in Karachi, Gulistan Shah Abdul Latif, the school at PCHS. So that's how I came to Karachi first time, and but then on for the college I again went to Hyderabad and did my college from Muslim College. It's a government college, and did my intermediate from there. But then again, because I was exposed to Karachi for some time, and I knew that probably it will be better to go to Karachi. So my initial admission for medical college was also in LMC, that is Liaquat. Now it has become a university. But there were possibility of actually transferring to Sindh Medical College. There were about 26 seats which were allowed to be switched. People from Karachi could come to LMC, and from LMC, I mean, 26 people can go to Sindh Medical College. So that's how I ended up in Sindh Medical College.
What about your family? Your father,
My
mother?
family is still down there in Tadolyar. I mean, I have lost my father and mother by now. I have my elder brothers, both of them actually. We are basically the agriculture people. The background was
Sure.
agriculture. Still, it's the same. Lifeline is basically the zamindari.
Agriculture?
G
Mm.
agriculture.
Mm.
Probably that saved my soul. My dependence on
Sure.
monetary issues were never the medicine purely.
Yeah.
So I kept roaming around with quite a few things. Uh, I mean, very easily without this pressure that I will lose the job or whatever. I mean,
Mm.
usually what happens in our part.
Mm.
So
Mm.
I have been able to really uh, do services at my own way
Oh
and
That's
boy.
good.
rules.
I envy that situation. Oh my goodness. To
But it
do
was very
medicine,
difficult.
yeah.
I can
To do
assure you that.
medicine for the sake of medicine. But let
You
me
can
take a
pursue,
moment to
yeah. Introduce Farid.
if you
Yeah.
guys notice, Farid has joined
Good
us.
morning.
So
Assalamu
I
alaikum,
didn't want
Good
to
Suleiman.
morning.
वालेकुम सलाम फरीद क्या हाल है ठीक है
Tik tak. Alhamdulillah.
N-
Yeah. It's been a minute, isn't it? Long time.
yeah
No, he is our spy. He is our spy. Dr. Farid, he was your group fellow. So he is going to tell us the
I
stories which, so because now we have come to college, although like you said, you were earning money from the land. Actually, I also, like Salik would say, envy that because you can pursue medicine as your passion.
Yes.
I like all the things that I do for which I don't have to make money. I think I enjoy them more because there's no pressure and it's
Yeah.
just, it's a good thing to do. So now we are in medical college. So ye batao, Farid, you were his group fellow.
Yes.
Yes, Suleiman and
Go.
me know each other, I guess, from the first professional, but eventually, I think Suleiman had a little bit more closeness initially to Ghias, who was from Hyderabad. And
Acha.
then through Ghias, I get to know Suleiman. And I was from Islamabad and Suleiman from interior Sindh area. And then, we got into, such a good mixture of people over there, just like a flower. And such an honor to be a part of, in his group and in his, company. We had really some good memories with Suleiman and some laughable and some, just amazing. Good to see you, Suleiman, after a while. And
Very
nice
भैया
to
happy.
see your story.
राज की बातें
Hmm?
बताओ ये जो
रात
है
की बातें यार
जो पॉलिटिकल कमेंट्री ना करो
नहीं, मैं मैं बताऊं या फरीद बताएगा, या
खुल
आप
खुल
दोनों के
ये
ही बताएं हम?
खुल के आए हैं
हाँ राज की बात बताओ इसका इसका दिल किस पे आया था
अरे यार Well,
By the
let me
way,
just say,
whatever you
Suleiman was a
guys,
little bit on the serious side of the picture.
ऐसे ऐसे लोग छुपे रुस्तम होते हैं सीरियस साइड पे जो होते हैं तुम उनको मत समझोगे
No,
नहीं
Suleiman के साथ बड़ा अच्छा time गुजरा और I know we
अच्छा,
still are obviously
हाँ,
in contact with each other, not as much obviously as we want to, but nice to hear. And Suleiman, really, I mean, tell you the truth, I know a little bit of your story from Sin, but it's nice to hear the actual aspect of that from your, point of view. It's really nice. So please
may
go ahead
I
and, I'll let
may I
Salik take over.
just tell Suleiman, with his background from Tando Alayar, my grandfather and all my two uncles and my father, they actually left their business in Karachi in the late 60s, and they bought 1,300 acres of land close to Khotki. It was a
Okay.
village called Mubarakpur. So
Okay.
we had a house there in Mubarakpur and a house in Sakkar. And
Right.
so we also had land in Pannuakal, and then
Right.
through Ghotki we would go to Mubarakpur. So I spent quite a bit of time in Sakkar and Ghotki, Mubarakpur, and my uncle, dad speak very good Sindhi. I used
Right.
to be able to speak it too, but I've since lost it because I had nobody to speak with. But my uncle that lives in California, he's fluent, and my dad is still able to speak Sindhi.
तो
Okay.
सालिक जब मैं नारे लगाता था पन्नू आकल छावनी को बंद करो दोस्तों तुमने क्यों नहीं बताया कि यू हैड लैंड इन पन्नू आकल छावनी
By that time, we didn't have flag.
छावनी इसी
अच्छा
ने तो
चलो
बनवाई थी यार.
अच्छा सही
I had an occasion to go to Sakkar after medical school, but we'll get to that. So we'll
okay
continue with Suleiman. And just you guys just feel easy, whatever you would like to say.
No,
Just
then onwards, actually, I would like to really mention very important point that I was parallel to medicine. I was doing my BA and masters as well. I did my
अच्छा
masters in political science,
oh,
वाओ
and based on that, actually, I got a scholarship for Birmingham University. And if you remember, I in fact asked your father whether I should go for this or not. So I
अच्छा
came along with the Riaz and I met him and asked him his advice that I got this scholarship. which is not directly related to me. Should I go for this or not? So he said very wonderful thing. I am sure. He said that कि आप बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर तो वैसे बन जाएंगे MBBS करने के बाद भी, लेकिन अगर आप अच्छे इंसान बनना चाहते हैं, if you want to be a good human being, then go for political science. And I went out after his advice.
ये
And
किसके फादर की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
आपके फादर की, उमर साहब.
यार मैं कहने वाला था ये बाबा का जुमला मुझसे था, जब मैं अब बैठ के हर वक्त मेडिसिन पढ़ रहा होता था,
हाँ,
उनकी
आपको
किताब.
उसने कहा था.
हाँ
एग्जैक्टली उन्होंने
हाँ,
कहा
मुझे भी.
कि आप जो है वो एक्चुअली ये मुझ तक पहुंचा गयास के थ्रू. मैंने गयास को कहा था जी के पूछ के बताएं मुझे.
कमाल हो गया. नेवर न्यू. वाओ,
Interesting, huh?
इंटरेस्टिंग.
So
This
I
right
do
here,
remember that
this,
very well.
this right here, this exchange in the last 2 minutes is worth it. You know, it's priceless.
बिल्कुल.
This was not going to happen otherwise.
Yeah.
So actually that definitely changed my life like anything.
Wow.
And later on, the way I lived my life in my services, well, I had my own background which kept me intact for all the positives rather than going for making money and all that. But of course, that 1 year of
वाकई.
exposure
Yes.
in UK actually completely changed my approach to working patrons and focused, and I mean so many more things. So that's how I then actually I already had passed the exam for the job. So when I returned to, I just joined the government service as a medical officer, and but continued my post graduation in pulmonology, got MCPS. Before going there, I was able to do the DTCD in chest medicine already.
What is that?
And after MCPS, I did my second commission and entered in 18th grade as a chest physician or pulmonologist into the government services again. I mean, continuing the services, but as a chest physician.
What is
DTCT क्या है?
DT?
Diploma in tuberculosis and chest diseases.
अच्छा.
1 year diploma, and FCPS required 2 years internship. So
Oh my
I
God,
continued.
तुम्हारा बोर्ड सोच के तो मैं डॉक्टर सलेमान ओतो MBBS DTCD MCPS BA
अभी
और
और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, अभी
अभी
बताता
और
हूँ.
कौन सी. अच्छा बताओ मुझे. चलो.
ABCD. Suleiman, did you go to Birmingham after your MBBS or during
Yes,
your MBBS?
after
Okay.
MBBS.
That
After
part I
MBBS,
didn't. Okay.
I did 1 year in the. Actually, you people left before house job, I think.
No, I came here after my house job, yeah.
Okay, so we did our house job in the chest medicine, and actually, just by the end of that, they were offering this diploma. So I joined that DTCD and completed the course. And by that time, I got that scholarship and went out to Birmingham and spent a year down there. Got this degree of MSS, that is medical Masters of Social Sciences in Political Science. And at my return, I joined the government service already, actually, which I have passed as medical officer. And I spent 3 years in my hometown as a medical officer. In
जबरदस्त.
And then onwards, I did this MCPS and joined the, doing the commission as chest physician. And then at that time, my posting was in Karachi. And then I almost continued there. Later on, I got this chance of moving to public health. Again, I did this from Wollongong University, Australia. And that was also a scholarship by the government. So then onwards, in that I did in 99 and 2000. So since 2000, I switched to public health purely. Then I went to Islamabad also, heading 2 projects at different times in Global Fund. I was able
अच्छा.
to bring a lot of money. One's first time had $22 million for Pakistan, and the second time
Hmm.
$48 million. That was
That's
grant.
And
very nice.
for what?
That was
For
once
what?
for malaria,
हाँ.
and at second time it was for HIV and AIDS.
अच्छा. अच्छा, जब हम थे मेडिकल कॉलेज में उस
जी
वक्त चेस्ट मेडिसिन जो है, इफ यू रिमेम्बर, हमारे पास ओपीडी की जो टेबल थी उस पे एक
जी
शीशा पड़ा होता था. उस शीशे के नीचे आज की दवाओं की लिस्ट होती थी.
जी
उसके
बिल्कुल।
अंदर से हमारे पास टीबी के लिए सिंपली जो है वो 3 दवाएं होती थी, जो कि हम जो है उनको स्विच करके डिपेंडिंग अपॉन स्टेज हम उनको देते थे. और वो चेस्ट एक्सरे होते थे जो बाज दफा तो पता नहीं नकली भी होते थे जो लोगों को बेचते थे, लेकिन ये हमारे नजदीक चेस्ट मेडिसिन थी. मुझे ये बताओ कि फ्रॉम देन ऑनवर्ड्स व्हाट हैज बीन योर एक्सपीरियंस इन पाकिस्तान चेस्ट मेडिसिन एवोल्यूशन फ्रॉम, क्या वहां हो रहा है चेस्ट मेडिसिन के
Yeah,
बाद?
great
चीज़ें
question.
बहुत इम्प्रूव की ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
अच्छा.
हुआ ये कि एक तो वो पूरा वार्ड दोबारा बना, और जो जेपीएमसी का था, बहुत मॉडर्न उसमें डायग्नोस्टिक्स आ गए,
अच्छा.
प्लेथोस्मोग्राफी और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो है वहाँ एड ऑन हुई. ऑन द गवर्नमेंट साइड मैं आपको बताऊं, मेरा जो था थीसिस का पब्लिक हेल्थ का, एक्चुअली रीज़न यही बना कि वाई आई वेंट टू पब्लिक हेल्थ. मुझे अंदाज़ा ये हुआ कि ट्यूबरक्लोसिस को हम कुछ कर नहीं सकेंगे, कितना भी इलाज कर लें उसको हमें रोकना पड़ेगा.
Prevention.
तो दैट वाज द रीज़न एक्चुअली दैट मेड माय माइंड
पब्लिक
टू
हेल्थ.
गो फॉर पब्लिक हेल्थ.
हम्म.
और मेरा जो मौजू था मेरे थीसिस का, द टॉपिक वाज द कम्युनिटी बेस्ड डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन सिस्टम. वो
अच्छा.
बलिए डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए मैंने डिज़ाइन किया था, और
अच्छा.
जो जो बाद में इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्ट हुआ. ज़ाहिर है वो मेरा वाला आइडिया सिर्फ नहीं था, बट
हम्म.
मोर और लेस बैकग्राउंड वही है जो
डीओटी
मेरा
का जो
थीसिस.
डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन ट्रीटमेंट जो
डायरेक्ट
यहाँ पे भी शुरू.
ऑब्जर्वेशन
हाँ.
ट्रीटमेंट
हाँ.
शॉर्ट
हाँ.
कोर्स, जिसको डॉट्स का नाम
हाँ.
दिया गया.
डॉट. हाँ.
एंड इनफैक्ट जो है उस डॉट्स को फिर मैंने इम्प्लीमेंट भी किया जब मैं सिटी गवर्नमेंट में गया 2000 में. तो एक न्यूयॉर्क में इसका मॉडल मौजूद था, एंड द कराची वाज द सेकंड वन वेयर वी स्टार्टेड डॉट्स इन दी
अच्छा.
मेगापोलिस. जो बड़े शहरों में कहीं था वो सिर्फ उस वक्त न्यूयॉर्क में था, और सेकंड हमने कराची में किया था पूरी दुनिया में.
वाओ.
सो
अच्छा,
दैट्स हाउ
यहाँ
वी.
पे जो था, सॉरी, यहाँ पे जो था वो ज्यादा मल्टी ड्रग रेजिस्टेंट टीबी की वजह से था, जो कि एचआईवी की वजह से इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ दोबारा अमेरिका में.
जी
क्या पाकिस्तान के अंदर एचआईवी आया और मल्टी ड्रग रेजिस्टेंट टीबी आया, या रेगुलर टीबी के लिए
बिल्कुल
भी डॉट्स था?
बिल्कुल है.
है.
और
अच्छा.
एक्चुअली जो HIV में मेरा इंटरेस्ट एक्चुअली अदरवाइज भी हुआ, और काफ़ी मुश्किल सा काम था, तो पब्लिक हेल्थ का ही काम था, तो आई डिड इट. एंड उसमें फिर पूरा एक प्रोजेक्ट उसके बाद अब मुसलसल हो रहा है वो देन ऑनवर्ड्स, कि अब जो भी टीबी का पेशेंट होता है वो HIV के लिए देखा जाता है,
स्क्रीन होता है.
उसको स्क्रीन किया जाता है. और जो HIV का पेशेंट है उसमें जाहिर है डेथ सबसे ज़्यादा दुनिया भर में जो है ट्यूबरक्लोसिस में
उसी
हुई
से.
है 80%.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो जो है वो क्या कहते हैं, अभी हमारे यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं, लोग जो है वो कर रहे हैं इस पे काम काफ़ी सारा.
और सीटी स्कैन के आने के बाद से या एमआरआई के, क्या मजीद
जी
दूसरे हिस्टोप्लाज्मोसिस और दूसरे डायग्नोसिस भी क्या होने लगे पाकिस्तान में? क्या चीज नई
होने
पाकिस्तान में फ्रॉम द
होने
टाइम
लगे
के
हैं.
हम थे? हाँ.
हाँ
अच्छा.
होने लगे हैं. और फिर इनफैक्ट गम्बट एक जगह हमारे वही, अब आप घोटकी से आगे गम्बट है,
अच्छा.
जहाँ एक पूरा नया मेडिकल सेंटर बना हुआ है, गम्बट मेडिकल सेंटर. और
अच्छा.
वो उसको इनिशिएट करने में किसी ज़माने में डॉक्टर अब्दुल रहीम जो इस वक्त हेड कर रहे हैं उसको, या हु वाज द फोर्स बिहाइंड, जैसे SIUT के पीछे एक थे, उन्होंने वहाँ बनाया. तो वहाँ अभी डॉक्टर्स ने कुछ अर्सा पहले लंग ट्रांसप्लांट शुरू किया है, लेकिन अभी तक मेरी नज़र में कोई पेशेंट ऐसा आया नहीं है जिसका हुआ हो. लेकिन
अच्छा.
एक्चुअली दे अनाउंस्ड इन दी मीडिया, बट since I have left for last 3 years the government, so I actually don't know कि वो कहाँ तक पहुँचे और क्या कर रहे हैं. लेकिन ये
किस
हुआ
चीज के लिए ट्रांसप्लांट हुआ मतलब गम्बट में? वो वाज देयर
लंग ट्रांसप्लांट.
नहीं, वाज देयर फॉर एनी स्पेसिफिक रीजन इन गम्बट दैट वाज हैपनिंग, और
नहीं,
जस्ट
बस
इन
वो
जनरल
गवर्नमेंट वाले
फॉर
एक्चुअली उनको गवर्नमेंट
फंडिंग?
की फंडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा
फंडिंग.
अवेलेबल है.
हाँ.
जी, तो वो उन्होंने कहा कि जी हम यहाँ लिवर ट्रांसप्लांट भी करेंगे, फिर बाद में कहने लगे हम लंग ट्रांसप्लांट भी करेंगे. अब एक्चुअली कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं मैं बता नहीं
सही,
सकता मैंने कोई
आई
नहीं
सी।
देखा है अभी तक।
Yeah. What is the main cause for respiratory failure in Pakistan?
पाकिस्तान में सबसे बड़ा कॉज जो है वो मेरे अपने ज़ाती ख्याल में स्मोकिंग नंबर वन
Yeah.
पे है।
Tobacco.
एंड देन ऑनवर्ड्स अब जो रिसेंट टाइम्स में पेशेंट्स आ रहे हैं वो फिर एनवायरमेंटल रीजंस की वजह से बहुत आ रहे हैं
Oh,
बेतहाशा।
अच्छा, यानी
Pollution is quite a bit in
diesel.
Karachi, especially.
Yes, Karachi
Lahore.
is almost number 3, number 4 most of the
Yeah.
times. Air quality index is quite bad. मतलब since
नहीं तो
last
उसकी वजह
10
से
years.
इंटरस्टिशियल लंग डिजीज या निमोनिया या
हाँ नहीं वो उसमें फिर आपको सीओपीडी टाइप चीजें चेंजेस मिलती
हाँ,
हैं और एलर्जी आपको बेतहाशा मिल रही है। अंडर 5 में तो आप ये समझ लें कि
अच्छा
30-40% तक मिल रही है।
अच्छा, हम्म, एलर्जीज तो बहुत होंगी, हाँ।
Seems like we are फाइनल ईयर का वाइवा हो रहा है, लग रहा है सुलेमान का। हम तीनों जो है वो बैठे हुए हैं और वो से कॉजेज और वो जस्ट रिलैक्स। सो
ये
सुलेमान,
ऐसा
let me
वाइवा
ask
है, ये
you
ऐसा वाइवा है कि जिसमें जो है ना कहते हैं टीचर जो है वो पढ़े लिखे स्टूडेंट से सीख रहे हैं।
हाँ, सही बात है। Suleiman, you did so much. Obviously, it's nice to hear that. Are you retired now from government service, or
Yes, for
okay?
last 3 years now. But now I have recently, in last 5 months ago, I have joined Zabist University as professor of public health and head of the department.
That's awesome. Can I ask you? Obviously, we hear all these stories, and you being there on the surface, itna paisa aata hai. You probably brought some money to the Pakistan. We all hear how much of that used. Gambart ka tumne bataya कि वहाँ transplant का liver का और lung transplant का, that money really gets to the base of those grassroots people. I know obviously less than a half. Does any money get there for the betterment of people? I mean, it's a political question. You don't have to answer if you don't want to. But we
No,
know all
it's
the realities in Pakistan.
नहीं रियलिटी बहुत ख़राब है, नो डाउट वक्त के साथ ख़राब हुई है। चीज़ें अच्छे होने के बजाय मैं जो अपनी बात ये कर सकता हूँ कि मैं तो स्विच हुआ था इसीलिए कि प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ पे कोई ज़्यादा हम जोर दे सकें, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो चीज़ें हुई नहीं। और हमारे जैसे लोग जो उनको उनके सिस्टम्स के हवाले से नहीं चल पाते उनको वो पसंद नहीं करते। जितना वक्त भी मैं रहा उस प्रोजेक्ट में भी मुझे आधे में छोड़ के आना पड़ा। आई वॉज देयर फॉर 3 years बट आई हैड टू कम आफ्टर आई सपोज 19 months that the federal secretary was changed and the new federal secretary wanted it to run according to his own जैसे कहते हैं कि विशन विल।
Yeah.
और उसमें फिर वो सब चीज़ें मौजूद हैं जो हो सकती हैं। उसके जो है वो क्या कहते हैं बिल्स मेरे पास आ जाते थे कि ये आप पे कर दें, तो मैं उनसे फ़ोन करके पूछने लग गया कि सर कहाँ से पे करूं। तो ज़ाहिर है
देखो
उसको
जब
बुरा
पेमेंट,
लगा।
हाँ, जब पेमेंट ये बात है थोड़ी देर को जंप करते हैं, ये बताएं आपकी कितनी बीवियां और कितने बच्चे हैं?
हाँ बहुत सारी बीवियां और बहुत सारे बच्चे।
अरमानों में बह गए।
भाई हम बाहर बैठे हुए लोग तो यही सवाल कर सकते हैं और क्या कर सकते हैं। कितने
बात ये है कि हमारे जैसे जो बेवकूफ़ हैं वो जब इस तरह की बातें करते होंगे तो उनको अगर एक भी मिल जाए तो अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए।
क्या
अगर
कहने,
मैं अल्लाह का
सही बात,
शुक्रगुजार हूँ
एक के
मेरे
साथ
पास
भी
एक
इंसाफ कर पाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है।
नहीं इंसाफ तो उसने करना होता है, हमने नहीं करना
सही
होता।
बात। क्या ये भी आप पाकिस्तान में बैठ के कह रहे हैं भैया हम यहाँ बैठ के उल्टा है? सही है।
You know,
तो जो
I have
तो
a
कितने
son,
बच्चे?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
अच्छा, हाँ,
एक बच्चा है।
अच्छा,
हाँ मैंने शादी थोड़ी देर से ही की थी अपनी
अच्छा,
हरकतों के बायस। तो
अच्छा,
ही इज़ नाउ इन टीन माशाल्लाह।
अच्छा,
अभी दिसंबर में ही इज़ 13 हुए हैं वो।
अच्छा।
yeah,
तो आपकी जवान
yeah.
अभी तो छोटा बच्चा है वो तो, हाँ। अब मैं नहीं पूछूंगा क्या हरकत थी, तुमने इतना लंबा टाइम पीरियड दे दिया है कि मैंने कहा ये एक पूरा प्रोग्राम है अलग से, तो अब उसको सही है।
So you're living in Karachi, Suleiman?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
in
but
Karachi.
obviously, Rebus में पढ़ाते हो. You know, I to go on the other side, obviously, med schools at मेरी बहुत सी यादें हैं सुलेमान के साथ. And and somehow Suleiman used to live in Clifton, Bath Island,
I was in
and
Bath I was in
yes,
Bath Island.
and he had an apartment pretty close to
Yes.
my uncle or the girl I got married to. So I used to go to Suleiman's apartment a lot, and
और ये बिला वजह तुम्हें दोस्त समझ रहे हैं।
I'm just kind of refreshing my memories and bring a smile on Suleiman's face.
सही
And
है।
Suleiman, believe it or not, I still remember the telephone number 535343. That was your
ये
Exactly
सच,
telephone
that.
number.
Yes.
you don't remember
And
his number,
Yes.
you remember the number which is access to your love।
so I used to go a lot to his apartment, and we used to have good time. And one time, I remember Suleiman told me there's an actress who was I don't remember her name, but she was living in your apartment as you know she was doing
Yes.
some shots in Karachi, and then she was living in an apartment, and we all went to
Yes.
see her and meet her. Uh,
Mumtaz
probably you
Kamal. Her
remember that.
name was Mumtaz Kamal.
There you go. Yes, that's her.
अच्छा,
Yeah, yeah. So we really had such a good time. I am, and I want to mention it, like Umar mentioned the other day. I had some. I really don't remember what that work was. Some official work, and Suleiman had somebody in the government, and he took me to that person. It was solved like a piece of cake. So it really such a very helping guy, and always been very upfront and very I don't want to say very sober, but up to the point. And he used to make some jokes which we used to laugh in front of him, but later on was like, what did he really say? No, really.
भाई मुझसे तो आजकल
No.
कोई कहता है किसी की
याद है
शादी कहता है
सुलेमान?
जी बहुत ही सोबर, बहुत ही शरीफ आदमी है, तो मैं कहता हूँ भाई मुझे ये ना बताओ कितने शरीफ सोबर, मुझे बताओ उनमें कोई चमक है, कोई रमक है, कोई दमक है, कोई शैतानी है। अब वो जमाना आ गया है। अब ये बातें बताना कि हम कितने शरीफ थे, तुम्हें बचपन का कौन सा ऐसा दोस्त याद होगा जो सिर्फ ये कहता था भाई नमाज पढ़ो सीधा चलोगे? सारे वो दोस्त याद होते हैं जो सारी हरामी बातें करते हैं।
वो कहते थे ना कि लिखोगे पढ़ोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बढ़ोगे ख्वाब। वो सब
सही
गलत हो गया, सब
हो गया
गलत हो
खराब।
गया।
सही
Look
बात
at every billionaire. There, I don't know of a single doctor who is a billionaire. I
सही
know
बात
of,
है।
basketball players, football players,
True.
pop music artists, Taylor Swift, those guys.
शुक्र
So,
करो
Right.
नहीं है साले, हमारी इज्जत बची हुई है।
but in the grand scheme of things, things like Suleiman has done with the public health, we have no idea how many lives he has potentially impacted. So
I can give you an example of that. कि जो 2 साल मैंने मलेरिया में काम किया था, तो Warwick University came to do the analysis for as a third party. So at that time, we reached to 2.9 million people in 2 years.
what do you mean
Wow.
reached?
फॉर हिज प्रोग्राम।
उसमें ये था कि 4 चीज़ें हमने नई लाए थे हम। एक तो रैपिड डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट हम नया लाए थे, देन आरटी मिसलिन कॉम्बिनेशन थेरेपी हमने नई इंट्रोड्यूस कराई थी पाकिस्तान में पहली दफ़ा। फिर हमने इसको LLINs हम कहते हैं, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग इम्प्रेग्नेटेड नेट्स, दवा
I
लगी
see.
मच्छरदानियाँ, ये तीनों हमने इंट्रोड्यूस कराई थी। और हमने 250 जो है माइक्रोस्कोपी के सेंटर्स बनाए थे पूरे पाकिस्तान में, इंक्लूडिंग 12 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ क्वेटा। आई मीन
So these things treated 2.9 million people with
यस,
malaria.
ये उनके
Wow.
फिगर्स हैं, ये मेरे फिगर्स नहीं है। मतलब मेरा डेटा तो मैं कुक कर सकता हूँ और कह सकता हूँ, ये वॉरिक यूनिवर्सिटी के फिगर्स थे, और जो है हमारे हमने जो टारगेट्स मीट किए थे, दैट वाज 93% ऑफ आवर टारगेट्स.
वाह,
That's
काश ये
incredible, Suleiman.
मच्छरदानियां काश ये मच्छरदानियां 1980 में बनाई होती, जब मैं 4 जो है सुतलियां लेके टांग रहा होता था और उनमें छोटे छोटे छेद होते थे. बट देयर वाज नो सुलेमान
और
एट
वो
दैट
मच्छर
टाइम.
घुसाते
ओके.
थे, हाँ.
पर हाँ,
वो
फिर सुबह को उठ के उसको सीते थे कि भाई ये वाला छेद यहाँ पे रात को नजर आया है.
उमर, तुम छत पे सोते क्यों थे, ये बताओ मुझे.
मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं कहा मैं छत पे सोता था. ये तुमने बिला वजह इन्फ्लुएंस किया है. मैंने कहा मच्छरदानी
उम्मीद
लगाता
की.
था. भाई यूनिवर्सिटी में घर के कमरे में ही मच्छर आते थे.
हाँ, बहुत
पता है
वो
ना, पढ़े
खुला
लिखे लोगों
मैदान
का
था बहुत.
खून, जो पढ़े लिखे लोगों का खून चूसने के लिए जानवर भी जो है वो एक्टिव
इंटरेस्टेड
होते
होते हैं.
हैं.
पढ़े लिखे और पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट.
सही बात है, देखो.
This is priceless. This is
चलो,
priceless. But
कोई और सवाल हमारे.
I was gonna say, share an
हाँ
experience. I like to
हाँ.
listen to audiobooks when we are driving, to see the kids or go to our house in Michigan. And every trip, I download a book and listen to it on the headphones. So there is an interesting book called The Mosquito.
Okay.
Yeah, it's several hours long worth of listening, and it's divided into maybe 15 or 20 chapters. And the gist of it is the impact the mosquito has had on this world. And it chronicles the events, how they were shaped simply by the mosquito over thousands of years. So,
Okay.
with your interest and background in public health and infectious diseases, etc., I highly recommend that
Okay.
you get that book, and maybe since you're professor, head of department, you might find material in there that would be helpful to students. And
Sure.
in that regard, I can't speak for others, but I'm sure they'll echo the same sentiment that at this point we feel like I have let you down in that we didn't know what you were doing, and I could have helped in whatever sort of way. I'm not as smart or educated like you, but in some way, shape, or form, I would like to be a part of this. And my parents still are living in Karachi, and
Okay.
it would give me an excuse to, go there and help and participate. As I mentioned, I did a lot of interventional pulmonology as
Yes,
part
that's
of
very
my
extraordinary. Yes.
transplant and stuff like that. So I've in fact taught pulmonologists how to do intervention. So how to do stents and how to do balloon dilations and argon ablation, etc. I don't know if this is all available. If they're talking about doing lung transplants, then there must be that infrastructure existing. I don't know, but
Actually, it does not exist in Karachi as per se.
wow. For then
And they are saying
where
that we
else?
have all down there. So actually, I have taken this with a pinch of a lot of salt.
Yeah, there is a WhatsApp group here in the U.S. It's called PASS. It's started by surgeons in the U.S. and Canada who are of Pakistani descent.
Okay.
So they could be graduates from Pakistan who then did surgery in the US, any type of surgery, or children of first generation Pakistanis who have grown up to be surgeons. So there's neurosurgeons, orthopedic surgeons, plastic surgeons, colorectal, bariatric, pediatric. There's maybe 2 or 3 cardiothoracic surgeons on it. So it's a very useful group in that they often post that I'm going to Pakistan and
Okay.
I will be in this area and I will be doing some philanthropic work at this hospital. Indus Hospital often is mentioned. So
Okay.
Indus, I'm sure you've got exposure to that.
Yes, I know
But
them. Dr.
so
Bari,
that,
the main
yeah,
CEO
the
of
guy
that,
who
I know
started,
Bari.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So when they post pictures, they
Hmm.
actually take most of the modern equipment with them and
Okay.
operate and teach the
Hmm.
local doctors modern, you know. So I started doing robotic thoracic surgery about 15 years ago, and
Okay.
so I taught it to my partners in Michigan. So I was one
Hmm.
of the first ones in 3 different hospitals in Michigan to do robotic thoracic surgery.
Okay.
So I'm not advocating that people do robotic surgery. And
No, it's
it's
being
very
done down here. SIUT
right.
have robotic surgery with them.
Yeah, but it's very expensive. You know,
Hmm.
Pakistani people are so resilient that they can tolerate pain much better than any of the
No, but
Americans. Yeah,
robotic surgery came to Pakistan quite early, but it was
yeah,
because of the high price
Europe.
machines they wanted to purchase. And
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
Yeah.
in the store when I went to civil hospital. I was posted there for 3 4 years. When
And they
I
had it in
went
the
there,
store.
it was in
yeah,
the store. Actually, we
Yeah.
took it out
yeah.
and
Yeah.
tried to
Storage.
really start it. And then we
Yeah,
started it. Then this SIUT people came along and they said, "Give it to us. We'll do it in a more
yeah.
proper manner." And they actually started.
Urology is very well suited for robotic surgery and vice versa.
Yeah.
So for prostates and uh, especially for that kind of stuff.
Yeah, but
So,
Salik,
anyways,
because you had the heart and soul to download the book Mosquito with so many chapters instead of Harold Robbins or instead of any other book, I think you should pursue this in Pakistan. कहेंगे एक डॉक्टर जो है वो मच्छरों का एक्सपर्ट जो है वो पाकिस्तान
yeah,
में आएगा
I
तो
would love to, go
हाँ
give lectures and share
We
हाँ
will
perspective.
arrange next time. जब भी
हाँ
whenever you want to come over, just let
Yeah,
me know. I can
yeah.
arrange all these things. No problem.
Yeah, and after medical school, I decided to study for the U.S. ECFMG, etc. So I did the house job. When we first graduated, everybody had to do. So I was supposed to do general surgery at Ward 3 as a trainee RMO.
Okay.
TRMO. So I decided, no, I'm not going to do that. I'll study for the US. In the meantime, me and Umar, we signed up for ED Air Ambulance. I don't know if you remember, Umar.
yeah I remember because yeah
Yeah. So there were a couple of disasters in Sindh. There was a big train accident. I think it
it's
was
Sakkar.
close to Sakkar.
Mm.
So
Yes.
we flew. In
Yes.
fact,
Yep.
Umar's cousin, I think he was a pilot for ED Air Ambulance,
No, he was not
and
cousin.
Okay.
He was my political Sadi, Fahim Zaman. He became the administrator
that
of
Yes.
Karachi also. So Fahim
yeah,
Yes.
actually
Yes.
was the pilot in
yeah,
with the
Yes.
helicopter pilot. So we brought
yeah.
essentially dead bodies and yeah,
So
basically.
we landed. I remember landed at the stadium of the Sakkar school.
Larkana General Hospital Stadium. It was
Yeah,
down. It was like a donkey and a small stadium, and the hospital was like four prime ministers have passed through Larkana. And the hospital was a absolute total a matter of shame for People's Party. That's how.
And
I mean,
it's
it
still
should
the
not have
same.
been same. Yeah,
It's
I bet
still
it
the
is.
same.
Yeah, I bet it is.
because when we
Still the
used to
same.
live in Sakkar, we lived about half a mile from that place. So it reminded me as we were landing that it was my old
Uh,
neighborhood. In fact, while we were waiting for the patients, I walked over there, and
Okay.
so there was
and
so
sadly, we crossed Monjodaro, which I saw on top, and I looked at just the architecture of that, and then I looked at the hospital and I said, "Where? How far behind we have come
five
in this
five
three
five
thousand
Of
years,
thousand years
course.
behind.
5,000 years behind." Well, I think this
Yeah,
podcast has now gone. If we make it even longer, although with him, I think we can even keep talking all night. but to
Yeah.
keep the interest alive, I would like to summarize it that what a pleasure
Okay.
it was. I mean, to
Yes,
know
indeed.
you and what you are doing for Pakistan, what you have done for people. I am amazed and I'm so happy that we did this. Wakai.
Thank
And
you.
I
Thank
wish
you.
I
Nice work,
listened to my
Salman.
father. I
Yeah,
wished I
good
listened to
to know that.
my father before you. उन्होंने मुझे fourth year में बोला था, but I took it up when I was 40. And I started reading and all these things later on in life, and you probably did it earlier. And I think the human beings benefited more over there in Pakistan. Wakai. And keep it up. I mean, this is amazing. Maybe we will do it again at some point in time and learn from
Sure.
you that what we can do. And
Yeah.
it's just you are the star of our
Maybe,
class.
maybe if you want, you can have this from your university or whichever your place of work, to showcase what you're doing. So everybody that would like to listen and, be a part of it. So it's sort of like a live, you're just using
Actually,
your phone.
I have written a book,
Yeah.
Acha.
my
Wow.
memoirs.
Hmm.
So
I would
is
like
it
Good
to,
job,
published?
Suleiman.
yeah.
Is
Proud
it
of you, man.
published?
Where is it?
अभी जो है वो मतलब मैंने जो मेरा वर्किंग टाइम है वो सारा उसमें कवर कर लिया है.
Acha.
आई हैव टू राइट द चैप्टर सिंस माय रिटायरमेंट, वो अभी मैंने ऐड ऑन करना
Acha.
है उसमें. तो इट विल प्रोबेबली टेक लिटिल वाइट, मंथ और सो.
Acha.
मैं बाय दैट टाइम इंशाल्लाह उसको मैं कंप्लीट कर लूँगा.
We are waiting. And actually, the next one should be when you have done your book, and that's what we will discuss upon. क्या कहते हो साले?
श्योर.
Sit down again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how do you intend to publish it?
अभी मुझे पता नहीं है. मैंने किसी से आई हैव नॉट स्पोकन टू एनीबडी.
Here's
एक्चुअली
my
मैं तो ये सोच रहा था कि खुद ही उसको पब्लिश कर दूं.
yeah,
या
self-publish. So that's what I've been interested in. My father actually wrote a memoirs of his early life, mostly
ओके.
focused on my grandfather, his father. He
राइट.
was very politically active around the 1930s to the 1960s. So
ओके.
at my encouragement, my father collected everything, all the information and newspaper clippings and photographs, and it's so he one of my uncles in Lahore was with the Board of Education, so he knew all the publishers, so he published
ओके.
it, but it's hardbound, but it's not an ebook. So I'm converting his book
ओके.
to an ebook.
राइट.
So that's how I learned that you can e-publish on Kindle. Are you familiar
ओके.
with Kindle?
यस.
You
यस.
Kindle,
आई एम. आई एम.
yeah. So if you need some help with that, just let me know.
I
It's
think it's a
very
great
easy.
idea. Online reading is
Yeah.
more,
Yeah, people
Sure.
accessible
don't
now.
Definitely
go and
in
buy.
present times it is always better to have electronic kind of things to
Yes.
so that
Yeah,
it could reach to
True.
majority.
Yeah.
yeah. Are you writing it in Urdu or English?
No, no, in English. I have
Yeah,
written in
okay.
English. My Urdu is not so good, but my English has
Yeah.
been all right, alhamdulillah.
Yeah. But
But
now,
I have been reading Ghalib since, I mean, the beginning, from my metric.
yeah.
And I think Ghalib is the most, जिसे कहते हैं कि वो आपको ज़िंदगी के बारे में या जज्बात के बारे में अगर कुछ सीखना है तो then you should read Ghalib.
अगर आपने
Yeah,
गालिब
but
पढ़ लिया तो आपकी तो उर्दू डाडो सुटो आएगा.
हाँ, इसी वजह से वो मैट्रिक
that
की
was a
क्लास
nice one.
में जो है वो हमारे एक सर थे, वो पढ़ रहे थे तो या स्टूडेंट कोई पढ़ रहा था तो मैंने उस पे वाह कर दिया था किसी गालिब के किसी शेर पे.
हम्म.
तो वो नाराज हो गए और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि तुमने वाह किया है तो इसका मतलब है तुम्हें ये शेर समझ में आ गया है, तो अब
हाँ.
इसका मतलब बताओ.
Oh my
तो
God.
मैंने जब उसका मतलब बता दिया जो तकरीबन शायद सही था, तो
अच्छा.
वो जो थप्पड़ उन्होंने अपने पास रखा हुआ था मुझे मारने के लिए वो
वो
उन्होंने
वापस
नहीं
ले
मारा.
लिया.
But
सही है.
like most poets, he had a lot of inspiration. Well, some of his inspiration was red wine. or white wine.
Yes,
I don't know.
he was addict actually.
Yeah.
उसके बगैर तो
Yes.
उसका गुजारा नहीं होता था,
गुजारा
लेकिन
नहीं।
He
एक्चुअली
had.
आप
Like
जो
most of the
उसके
Shire.
Yeah.
नहीं नहीं, लेकिन
लेकिन
इस
अगर वो
केस में
बादशाह के फंड के बजाय
हाँ
अगर पब्लिक फंडिंग के ऊपर पले होते तो उन्होंने इनकलाब बर्पा कर दिया
His
नहीं, शायरी
stipend
में तो
was quite.
किया हुआ है, अगर शायरी उसकी कोई समझ में जिसको
हाँ
आती है
हाँ
तो वो
हाँ,
इट्स
लेकिन वो
वंडरफुल।
फैज वो उनके वक्त के हालात और बादशाह की और जो दरबार के अंदर
जी
रहने में वो आशिकी में तो निकल के आया और
हाँ,
सवालात में उठाने में, लेकिन एक जो
ट्रू
पब्लिक अपहीवल के
ट्रू।
उसमें जो
नहीं, बाद
फैज
में तो
थे,
खैर अब वो
ये
हालात
गालिब
बदले
बहुत
तो
बड़ा
फिर
शायर।
फैज और
हाँ
अपना
हाँ
अहमद
हाँ
फराज जो है।
हाँ
अच्छा,
हाँ,
अहमद
वो उनके
फराज का
हिस्से
भी
में
आपको पता नहीं याद है या नहीं, हमने अच्छा इन दोनों को हमने सिंध मेडिकल कॉलेज में सुना था।
Yeah,
दी
अच्छा, बिल्कुल
फैज
Faz
वाज
and
देयर
बिल्कुल
एंड
yeah.
फराज वाज आल्सो देयर, वी हर्ड
बिल्कुल।
देम डायरेक्टली।
हाँ, वो एक जमाना था जब वो आते थे।
क्या जमाना था, बहुत अच्छा
Yeah.
वाला।
हाँ
Well, I think we would like to continue, but I'm
हाँ,
open to a second session or third,
yes, we will do
whichever.
it sometime later, and we wait for his book. That will be an incentive for you to Mr. Complete it, because the last chapter
Yeah.
I know how it goes. So
Yeah.
okay, this has to finish.
Yeah, but there is a concept of a living book. When you
Yeah,
say it's a living book,
book.
you publish it and then you add on
एड
after.
ऑन,
Yeah,
Keep adding,
इसलिए
yeah.
So,
Next
डेफिनेटली
because I'm
edition.
saying for the last 20
so
years.
I,
I'm
I
saying for the
urge
last
you
20
to
years.
publish it and then add on after.
Add on.
So it'll be electronic
ओके।
anyways, so it'd be easy to add on.
So, but I'm
And I
saying for the
can,
last 20 years, I'm going to be writing, and I have not wrote a single word about it. It's right in my
yeah.
head.
And
So
that's
that's
why
why.
I started this is that let's just do it, you know?
Good.
So we all
Chalo.
have so much experience in
नहीं, ये
this
मैंने
world.
जब हमारे 25th ईयर को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे तो मैंने गयास से ये आइडिया
Yeah,
डिस्कस
you
किया था
mentioned.
एक्चुअली। मैंने
Yeah.
कहा था कि अपने सारे क्लास फेलोज को कहते हैं कि वो एक एक दो दो पेजेस अपने बारे में लिख के हमें दे दें, और हम उसको जो है वो क्या कहते हैं कंपाइल करके और छाप देंगे। ये आइडिया पता नहीं क्यों उस वक्त क्लिक नहीं हुआ, मेजॉरिटी ने शायद उसको बाय नहीं किया, वरना मतलब हम में से सबकी जिंदगियां ऐसी हैं कि जिनके बारे में किताब लिखी जा सकती
What
है।
Like,
what we're doing this
लेकिन
podcast is all about that actually, you know, and it's a video recording of everybody. It's like I spoke, and obviously what you told us about yourself is actually like a living book and more than a 2 pages. So it's
it's
really
very unique.
incredible what we're doing here, and it's such an initiative by Salik
Yeah.
and Umar. Basic, amazing.
और एक्चुअली बेसिकली सालिक, लेकिन ये कि हाँ मैंने भी उसमें
Yeah.
ऐड किया बाद में आके। अच्छा, इसका सारा मजा ये कि हम लोग, मैंने जैसे देखा ना हमारा जो फोरम है सिंध मेडिकल कॉलेज के ग्रुप, उसमें ज्यादातर वक्त लोग इश्क इलाही में अपना वक्त जो सर्व कर रहे हैं, और कैसे वो जन्नत को जल्द से जल्द हासिल कर लें, और कैसे वो कौन सी दुआ पढ़ लें,
Yeah.
कौन सी आयत पढ़ लें। तो उसके अंदर मैं हमेशा से, मेरा ये रहा अपनी कम्युनिटी में भी और वैसे भी, कि हमारा जिससे
Help your
हम
fellow.
नहीं, और हम उन चंद लोगों में से हैं कि हम नॉर्मल पैदा हुए थे, हमारा दिमाग काम कर रहा था, उस वजह से हम तालीम हासिल कर पाए, एंड वी हैव बीन एबल टू गिव बैक टू सोसाइटी। हमने दूसरे ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की लाइफ में जो कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, दैट हैज टू बी रिजॉयस, सेलिब्रेटेड, एंड दैट इज सो पावरफुल दैट शुड मेक एनी गॉड हैप्पी।
यस,
तो आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट
श्योर।
वी रियली शुड डू, इज टू एज द ह्यूमन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ आवर लाइव्स, जिसके अंदर हमारी इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन एज डॉक्टर्स तो यूनिक कंट्रीब्यूशन है। अभी बाद में सालिक का
बिल्कुल
आइडिया था कि वी विल डू इट एज लाइक हिम एज अ सर्जन, आई एज अ इंटर्निस्ट, यू एज अ, तो उसके अंदर जो हमारी ह्यूमन स्टोरीज निकल के आएंगी, दे विल रियली बी एन आई ओपनर फॉर अदर डॉक्टर्स। हम अगर यहाँ बैठ के उनको ये बताएंगे कि कुरान कैसे हिफ्ज किया जाता है, तो भाई आप करें, वो आपके और आपके खुदा के बीच में है, लेकिन हमारा ट्रू कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है वो इंसानों की जिंदगी को बेहतर करना था, जो कि हम उस पर पूरे उतरने की कोशिश करते हैं बराबर। तो इसी बात के ऊपर
That's
हम जो हैं वो खुदा हाफिज कहते हैं, अल्लाह हाफिज की बजाय, और फिर हम मिलेंगे। ठीक है,
yeah.
चलें फिर। ओके,
All right.
Suleiman, nice talking to you, man.
नाइस
Thank
टॉकिंग
Keep
टू
you,
it
यू
up.
ऑल।
Fareed.
खुदा हाफिज।
Thank
We'll
you,
keep it.
Fareed. Thank you, Fareed. Thank you,
थैंक
Umar.
यू
Thank
सालिक,
you,
एवरीबॉडी।
Suleiman.
Thank you,
Just
everyone.
to take a perspective, you are in Pakistan, I am in Tennessee, Umar is currently in Texas, and Fareed is in Ohio. Just picture that on the globe, okay?
थैंक्स टू
Amazing.
साइंस। ओके,
With that thought, have a great weekend. Bye.
यू
All
ऑल,
right.
बाय, खुदा हाफिज।
Stop it. Thank you.